Hey, what's up guys? Super excited to bring you a brand new video today. What we're going to be talking about is how you can do keyword research for free and get high quality, high search volume keywords absolutely free in just a few minutes. So stay tuned for this, watch this video completely because by the end I'm going to show you a few couple methods and you need to know all the steps, and by the end you'll know how to do your own keywords research for free. You won't have to pay for a tool. Those things can be useful. They definitely serve a purpose for some people, depending what kind of business you're running. They might be valuable, but if you're starting out, there's really no need if you know the proper way to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do that on today's video, so definitely watch this till the end. Okay, so let's just jump right into it, guys. Very first, before we get into the actual method that I'm going to use, the step-by-step method, I want to show you a little tool that you should be using every day to kind of train your mind for what keywords are popular and what's working out there. So basically what you're going to want to do is just go right to Google and search for keywords everywhere. Okay, now keywords everywhere is a Google Chrome extension. It's a plugin. So basically, it's right up here. You can see it. I already have it, but you just go to this website and it's gonna let you download it for free and install it on your Google Chrome browser. So what this does is exactly what you're seeing here. Every time you search for something, it's gonna show you, like right here under keywords everywhere, it shows you the volume. 40,500 people per month are searching for this keyword. Okay, the cost per click, which is what a person has to pay if they want to put an ad on this keyword, which would mean like when you search something and you see ads, this is how much they're paying if you click on it. So if you want to put an ad for keywords everywhere, not that you would because this is their own product and you're not going to sell their product, but it would cost you about $1. The competition is extremely low, probably for that reason, because no one else wants to really compete with their own product's name. It's hard to compete directly with certain names, guys. It's better to compete with like ideas and phrases and that sort of thing, but we'll get into that. So keywords everywhere is a tool, so we'll just show you one quick example before we get into the actual method. Like if I just search how to lose weight, okay, obviously this is going to be an extremely high keyword because there's millions and millions of people all around the world who want to lose weight. So people are searching this every single day, and as you can see right here with this tool, 450,000 people every month, almost 500,000 people every single month are searching how to lose weight. Now this is a keyword that you'll probably never rank for. I don't want to say never, but probably not. This is going to go to, I mean, you can just see the results here. Healthline, huge website. WebMD, massive website. Okay, National Health Society or something. I don't know what NHS is. It's something like that. You're never going to outrank these guys, or chances are very, very small. The CDC, I mean, the Center for Disease and Control, I mean, these are huge, massive, massive websites that Google loves, which is why they're here. So what you want to do, guys, is when you do keyword research, you want to find little nooks and crannies, little cracks in the marketplace where you can provide some value in a good article or a good YouTube video where you can rank. And that's what we're going to show you how to do. But with this tool, it's a great place to get started because on the right, when you search for something, it's going to give you a lot of ideas here. So you can see your related keywords, and it'll add some words to give you longer things because these are usually the longer it is, the less competition it is. So like how to lose weight is going to be way harder to rank for than how to lose weight fast with exercise. Okay, and if you even go farther, like how to lose weight fast with exercise in 21 days, that'll be even easier to rank for. Now of course this will be less amount of people that might come to your page. Like this is only 12,000 compared to 450,000, but I'd rather be able to rank for something that has 12,000 than never have a chance for something that has 450,000. So that's how you need to look at keyword research, guys. And also you can rank for 10 of these smaller ones here, and now you're at 120,000. Like if you had 10 keywords ranked for 12,000 volume, you'd be getting 120,000 people potentially to your page. You might be able to rank for 10 of those, but you might not be able to rank for 120,000 volume keyword, if that makes sense. And then you see down here even more additional keyword options that you can look at, and it shows you the volume, so you can just start getting some ideas or what people search for. You might not want to waste your time on one of these smaller ones. You can put all your effort into making a good video. Weight loss friendly foods, maybe that's a great video that you can make, and you talk about weight loss friendly foods. So there's some ideas there, guys, but now let's get right into the actual method. So what I use is Google's keyword planner. Okay, now you probably heard this before, but I'm going to show you the way I'm using it so you can get the most out of it, guys. There's going to be a few steps to this, so make sure you follow all of them along. Maybe you need to rewatch this video, but I'm going to take you through step by step exactly how I do it to extract the best keywords that I can use, okay? So basically go to Google, you can just Google keyword planner and it's gonna bring you to that page there. And then it's going to bring you to this page here. I already have it loaded up. So it's going to show discover new keywords or get search volume and forecasts. So what I like to do is go straight to the get search volume and forecast, and I'll show you why. Here it's going to ask, to enter or paste your keywords, one per line or separated by commas. Now, you're probably thinking, I don't have any keywords. How can I put them in here? I don't even know what's a good idea. So we're going to go to a website called Ubersuggest. Now, Ubersuggest is a website where it'll show you, like, when you're typing in Google, like, say you put how to lose weight, and then that little part pops up and it says fast, easy, without diets, and it gives you all the suggestions under it. Ubersuggest is just doing that for you. So if I type in golf, for instance, let's say you're doing a golf blog, basically it's going to give you all these keywords that come up with golf that people might be searching that have golf in the keywords. And you can see just from this, it has 362 suggestions. And and then more even if I go to related. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Ubersuggest, type in golf, it's going to pop these up, and we're going to hit copy to clipboard. Now when we go back to the keyword planner, we're going to hit this button here, or paste these in here. Now all these keywords, all these ideas for golf, pasted them in. Look at all these options that Ubersuggest generated for us for free. And how long did that take me, guys? Like 1 minute. I'm also going to do that for related, okay? I'm going to hit copy to clipboard. I'm going to go back to the keyword planner, okay? Scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to enter down here, Okay. Now, I'm just going to hit get started. Now, this took a second to load last time, so I had it ready for the video. Basically, guys, then it's going to show you this entire thing of keywords, and it's going to be giving you the search volume, the competition, all this information. So now from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put this into a spreadsheet so we can more easily look at what we need to look at. So if you go down to the bottom right hand corner here and hit export CSV, okay, it's going to start downloading the Excel spreadsheet file, okay? So if you don't have Excel, don't worry. I'm going to show you what I use. So the download's right here. Now, go into Excel. If you don't have Excel, you can certainly use Excel if you want, but if not, go to Google and type Google Sheets. Google has its own Excel and it's free. I mean, if you don't want to use Excel, it costs money if you don't have it. I mean, Bill Gates doesn't need any more money. So go to Google Sheets and then go to blank. Now this is going to bring you up basically the same thing of Excel, same thing as Excel. So go to File, hit Open, and then it's going to bring you to a page to load in some data. So we're going to go to Upload, okay? Now, I like to go to Upload and then just drag a file here. So right down here where it downloaded, I'm just going to hit Show in Folder. And this is the one that just downloaded. It's highlighted. I'm just going to drag it right here. Now it's going to load it in. Now, all of those keywords are going to load into my spreadsheet like you can see here. I'm going to drag this over just a hair so you can see what the actual keywords were. And then, these are all the keywords that have golf in them, okay? Now, but you can see here the volume in the second column. It's kind of all scattered, it kind of goes random. So here's a trick you can use to kind of put them in order. What you do is you hover over this little top here where it says B, this column, and this arrow will pop up. So click this. Now, there's going to be a lot of options here. You're going to want to go down to sort A through Z. Now this will put them in reverse order from lowest to smallest, or you can do it from highest to smallest if you want to see what has the most keyword volume, okay? So, it depends. Like sometimes depending on the keyword you're using, you might want to stay away from the most ones because they might be so high and so competitive that you'll never have a chance to rank. But if you go for something too low, then maybe you rank, but you don't get a ton of traffic from it. But like I said earlier, you can definitely target the low ones, but do a lot of them, and they start to add up quick, guys. So even if you're only getting 10, 50, 100 people from a ranking, you do that 10, 20, 30, 100 times, you're starting to get a ton of traffic, and it's really starts snowballing. And then your website starts to get stronger where you can actually rank for these high ones. So that's the name of the game. So here we have all these golf keywords. So just to show you kind of how I start to sort through this. So now I have them in order. I'll be basically looking for like the longer ones, the better, especially when you're first starting. So, just as an example, okay, 6 passenger golf carts for sale. 320 people a month are searching for this. Now, You might not think that's a lot, and it's really not, but imagine the mindset, the type of person who's typing in 6-passenger golf carts for sale. That person is like really interested in buying a 6-passenger golf cart. They're ready to buy it. So even though that's not a lot of people, it's extremely targeted. This isn't like a random, oh, they're just interested in golf, so hopefully they'll want a golf cart. No. If someone went to Google and typed in 6-passenger golf cart for sale, not only do they want a golf cart, they want a 6-passenger golf cart, and they're said for sale, which means they want to buy it. Every single one of those 320 people, I would put every dollar I have, is ready to buy a golf cart. Okay, so this is a keyword you want to target. Also, since it's long, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words, and the volume is low, it's probably not going to be too competitive. I mean, I doubt like a huge golf company like, I don't know what, like Titleist or something, or Callaway, they're not writing blog posts on this because it's a waste of their time. So, but for us, it can be a massive opportunity. So if we go to, if we take 6-passenger golf carts for sale and just look in Google, for instance, we can kind of get an idea of if it's possible we can rank. And this is what I do. I do it manually. The keyword tools will try to do this for you, but I have the best luck just doing it myself. So basically, type in the one you find out of your keywords that you like, and then go to Google, search it, and see what the volume's checking out. That's what we have too, 320 a month. So we'll go down here and see what the results are. Now, the things that I look for here are critical. So basically, if you start to see big recognizable names, like if here on these websites you were seeing Titleist, Callaway, TigerWoods.com, that means that extremely high quality websites are getting on here. You probably don't have a chance. But if you start to see this, okay, somebody's listing for selling their golf cart on eBay is on here. That's low quality. There's a few like small little companies that sell golf carts that are ranking on here. Now these aren't even necessarily targeted. Like these aren't necessarily what exactly you got to think. What would this person want to be finding? Yes, they do want to find companies that sell it. They might also be looking for information too. So if you're not selling a golf cart, that's okay. You can write a great review on the golf carts that are being sold. Or, maybe you can find a company that's willing to pay you a commission for sending them some traffic, like an affiliate program for golf carts. So when I look through here, I don't see anything really impressive. I don't see like a nice article like top 10 6-passenger golf carts reviewed kind of things, or what is the best golf cart, that sort of thing. And I would look to see, is the keyword in the names of any of these? No. So that means Google they want to match someone to exactly what they're looking for. So if you wrote, like when you see this little, see how it says that this is the website's name, like deverinc.com, then it goes / and then this is the name of the article. New 6-passenger golf carts for sale, Lexington, Louisville, Kentucky. Okay. That's pretty close. But then like here, custom stretch limo golf carts for sale. This one doesn't even have anything. It's just a link to the shop. Pre-owned carts, So if you did an article like best 6-passenger golf carts for sale, Google's going to say ding ding ding, that's exactly what they're looking for. We're going to show that to them because that's what they want to see. So if you write a massive review. Now, there's not really any blog posts on here, guys, which is a good sign, which means you could rank if you wrote like a meaty 4,000 word article with pictures, reviews, of all the top ones. You could possibly, like, if you start to see things on here, say you click through and it is a blog post and you see that it has maybe, just 1,000 words, this little short article, and it's ranking on the top 10 of Google, you have a very high chance to outrank those people. Okay, so you come in, you post a banger, 4,000 words, even 3,000 words. You have a very good chance of outranking these low competition keywords, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. I know I went through things kind of quickly. Watch this video again if you need to. But if this provided you any value at all, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm dropping videos like this every day to help you on how you can grow your online presence. It would really help me out if you like the video and subscribe. Again, guys, I hope this video helps you. If you need to watch through it, watch it again. But I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video.